In this video, you will find the most common words in English that start with the letter M. After the video, take our free online test to improve your vocabulary. Maiden. A young unmarried woman. Virgin, damsel. The maiden looked forward to her upcoming wedding. Maimed. Injured especially through violence. Wounded, handicapped. The soldier was maimed in the battle. Maintenance. Keeping something in good condition. Upkeep, repair. Regular maintenance is essential for cars. Malediction. A wish of evil upon someone. Curse, hex. The witch's malediction had an impact on the village. Mandatory. Required by law or rule. Compulsory, obligatory. Wearing a seatbelt is mandatory for all passengers. Manifestation. An outward display. Expression, embodiment. His generosity was a manifestation of his nature. Manipulation. Influencing someone often for selfish purposes. Control, exploitation. Manipulative tactics of the con fooled many victims. Martial. Related to war or the military. Warlike, combatant. The martial training of the soldiers prepared them. Massive. Extremely large or heavy. Enormous, colossal. The massive oak tree provided shade for picnickers. Meddle. To get involved in someone else's affairs. To interfere, to intrude. It's not good to meddle in other people's relationship. Meditative. Involving or promoting peaceful resolution. Peaceful, conciliatory. The mediative talks finally led to a ceasefire. Medley. A mixture of different things. Assortment, variety. The dessert table featured a medley of cakes and pies. Melancholy. A feeling of deep sadness or sorrow. Sorrow, sadness. The melancholy music set a somber mood. Memorandum. Written message for communication in business. Memo, note. He received a memorandum from his supervisor. Menace. Something that is likely to cause harm. Threat, danger. The dark clouds on the horizon were a menace. Menial. Relating to tasks that are considered lowly. Unskilled, humble. He started as a menial worker. Mercenary. Primarily motivated person by gain or profit. Greedy, self-interested. The mercenary assassin did anything for the price. Merely. Nothing more than. Only, simply. His explanation was merely a vague excuse. Merge. To blend two or more things into a single entity. To combine, to unite. Two companies decided to merge their operations. Merry. Full of cheer, happiness and joy. Joyful, happy. The children were merry and excited. Now it's your turn. Test what you have learnt with free online test. Click the link in the description and take 31M vocabulary test.